Hello and welcome back. Today I've got my latest purchase from the Royal Mint here. I believe it should be a silver-proof Samuel Pepys with a free coin in there as well. So I have been well and truly bitten by the silver-proof bug. I can't stop myself now. I've got a problem. I did say for ages that I wouldn't buy silver-proofs because I knew if I bought one I'd want them all. That's exactly what has happened recently. So I'm really excited to see this one. You would have seen recently I got my first silver-proof £2 coin, which was a Wedgwood one, which looked absolutely stunning. But there's also a free coin in here that came with a discount code that someone posted in the Discord server. So thank you to who that was. I can't remember off the top of my head who it was, but it's the Nations of the Crown 2017 UK £1 brilliantly uncirculated coin. So before we get into the Samuel Pepys, let's have a look at this, because this looks interesting. So is it... Oh, so you can see all the bits and pieces that make up the pound. Oh, you can't see the back of it. So it's just a brilliantly uncirculated £1 coin then. That's kind of neat. See what it says on the back there. So it's £1, brilliantly uncirculated. That's kind of interesting. Should we get out of the pack? Why not? I don't normally get them out of the pack, but seeing as this was a freebie, there's nothing better than the freebie, is there? So there's the obverse 2017. So it's just talking about the details of it. That's quite interesting. What's on the other side? It's being struck. There we go. See all the old pounds leading up to the current one. So we've got Henry VII's new money. So the £1 note, to the round pound, to the last circulating round pound, not the last round pound, and then the new one. That's kind of cool. And there's talk of there being commemorative designs on the territories £1 coming soon, which would be quite interesting to find. How many of them we'll find in our change on the mainland UK is debatable, probably not many. But no, that's kind of neat. Definitely a cool freebie. So, let's get on to the main event then. Samuel Pepys. Very cool. Look, the Great Fire of London there, that looks like the design that's on the coin as well. That's kind of neat. True witness. So fearing he was losing his sight, Samuel Pepys decided to stop keeping a diary in 1669. His distinctive signature on the final page ended his unique account of a turbulent time in British history. The diary illuminates the coronation of Charles II, the Great Fire of London, and the Great Plague, as well as day-to-day life in Restoration England. This £2 coin marks the 350th anniversary of the last entry in the celebrated and revealing Diary of Samuel Pepys. Well, that's kind of neat, isn't it? Okay, so I think that's everything that's on there. How do we get into it then? So I was quite surprised because these £2 silver proofs don't seem as popular as the 50p ones. Last time I checked, the Wedgwood was still available on the Royal Mint website, as was this one. So don't buy one off of eBay for extortionate prices, whatever you do, because they are still available through the Royal Mint as far as I can tell. I won't sit and read all of this, but if you want a moment to have a look, feel free to pause and have a look. See, very cool. Let's have a look at the coin then. So the last one I got was absolutely stunning. That was my first £2 coin. And it looks like this is just as nice. Wow, look at that. So can't you read anything that's on that diary there? Oh, it's a signature. So that's the, oh, that is the last entry then, won't it? That's what that'll be. Wow. What an absolutely awesome design. £2. Holy moly. It's quite nice the design comes onto the outer band as well. Very, very nice. I think I prefer the Wedgwood, but nonetheless that is a very cool coin. So it's silver proof and I believe it's gold finished on the outside. Let's have a look at this doodad here. Number 617. £2. Quite a low mintage as well, 3,500 maximum mintage. There we go, so it's silver plated with fine gold on the outer alloy. The good God prepare me. Oh, so that's the writing around the edge, is it? Let's have a look then. Can we actually see that through here? Not really, no. I know I could probably get it out with the gloves that I was sent, but I really don't want to. There's that part of me that goes, oh, go on, just open it. But then there's the part of me that goes, no, don't do it. That's lovely. So we've just got the usual information in there. Very cool. So do let me know what you think of the design. I haven't bought the year sets. I'm quite enjoying getting the individual silver proof ones so far, but oh my goodness, they need to slow down. They need to slow down on them coming out. But no, that's lovely. So let me know in the comments, did you like the design? Is this one of your favorites from the 2019 designs? Are you going to get this one? Are you going to get it in silver or just in bunk? I probably will get it in bunk when I'm up at the Royal Mint if they've still got them there at that point. But no, very cool little coin. So all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye.